Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Capcut network error on PC. First things first, Capcut might show a network error due to unsupported regions. So, you want to visit first the Proton VPN's website or search for free Proton VPN on Google. After that, click on Get Proton VPN Free and proceed by entering your email address. Once downloaded, you want to open the Proton VPN application, then choose a location within Proton VPN. Then you want to click on Connect to establish the VPN connection. After that, you want to open Capcut again and attempt to access it. Click then on Try Again if prompted, and navigate through different features of Capcut to ensure that the network error doesn't persist anymore. Lastly, if the error persists, you want to close the Capcut application and reopen it after ensuring that the VPN connection is already stable. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.